Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some beautiful hairstyles. So fix the bun pin on the hairs like this, tie it and then fold it down like this and it's ready. Next we will tie the hairs, roll it upward like this and then fix the hair bun pin on the right side. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs. First comb it properly, now roll it upward using the fingers, fix it using the hair clutch or the bun pin and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Now fix it on the top on the half side using the rubber band. Now pull it down and fix it inside the bun using the bun pin and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this. Now fix the bun pin on the hairs, pull it down and fix it on the top like this. Tie it from the bottom, roll the hairs upward and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs, pull it upward and then fix the hair clutch. Tie it from the top and roll it down, fix it using the hairpin and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs, put the hair clutch on the hairs, tie it from the between, roll it upward and fix it again and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, pull it upward and fix it in the half using the rubber band. Now pull it down again and tie it from the bottom, roll it inside the hairs, fix it using the hair clutch and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.